Hi everyone, welcome back to OPEX Insights with Yash. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept in manufacturing and production, equivalent product units, or EPU. Let's break it down with a simple example to make it easy to understand. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Equivalent product units are a way to measure work done in a manufacturing process, especially when you're dealing with incomplete products or varying degrees of completion. It helps in standardizing different types of products or stages of production into a common measure. Imagine you're working in a factory that makes widgets. You have two different types of products, product A and product B. Each has a different production time and complexity. Let's say, product A takes 2 hours to complete and is 100% finished when it leaves the production line. Product B takes 4 hours and is also 100% finished when it leaves. Now let's say you have 3 product A units and 2 product B units that are partially completed at different stages. To find the equivalent product units, you need to account for the work done on each product type relative to the total time required. For example, if 3 product A units are 50% complete, that's like having 1.5 fully completed product A units, 3 times 0.5. If 2 product B units are 25% complete, that's like having 1 fully completed product B unit, 2 times 0.25. So, in terms of equivalent product units, you have 1.5 units of product A and 1 unit of product B, making a total of 2.5 equivalent product units. Why is EPU important? EPU helps in understanding productivity and efficiency. By converting partial work into equivalent completed units, you can better track performance, manage resources, and streamline production processes. That's a quick overview of equivalent product units with an easy example. If you found this explanation helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos on manufacturing concepts and more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.